Admiring senior level coordinators, homage teachers, and charming cohorts. Top of the morning to one and all present over here.
I was me Belapurkar
And I, Achal Jaiswal,
are the entertainers
of today's assembly presentation of Class 7 Glorious.
A grateful thought in the morning puts you in a powerful positive mindset to face the rest of your day.
With this tremendous thought, I would like to call my cronies to deliver the thought. Please, Karnik and Harshit.
Every situation in the life is temporary. When life is good, make sure you enjoy it fully.
And when life is not so good, remember it not last forever and better days are on the way.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving this wonderful thought.
My dear comrades, are you updated with current happenings? If you are not, don't worry about that. We have invited news reporters Mahima and Priyansha from Aaj Tak channel with cameraman Nikhil.
Today's news headlines are National News. In Independence Day speech, PM Modi focus on women OBSC and middle class. Chandrayaan 3 move closer to the moon ISRO. Amit Shah pays homage to former PM Vajpayee on anniversary. Bollywood news. The 2 box office Sunny Amit Shah film earns 55.5 crores on Independence Day. Updating us with today's news.
Black color is sentimentally bad, but every blackboard makes the students' life bright.
To make our English language more fluent, I would like to call my cronies to deliver the idiom. Please, Anant and Nimisha.
बेटा शिफ्ट ही
My friend, its meaning is it is not complicated. Thank you. Making us our English language more fluent.
Think of your dream, make the dream your life, and the success you will achieve will make your entire life beautiful.
With this beautiful thought, I would like to call my friends for the skit. The characters are Shashank as a teacher of the school.
It's 8:42. To hear your notifications,
Anant is a boy belonging to low caste with his classmates. Mahi as the mother of the boy. Aradhya as a peon of the school.
Scene 1. The teacher is teaching in the class.
E.
Sir, please give me some water.
I am very thirsty.
Hey, sit. At that time of fame, students get water by the peon.
Sir, please give me some water. I am very thirsty.
Peon.
Please give me.
When peon used to be on leave, no water was there for the student.
हेलो
The next day.
E. Sir, please give me some water. I am very thirsty.
Hey, sit. Peon is not there.
Sir, can you give me some water?
Hey, you shut up.
E.
Hey, you go away.
Discussed our code. We should break it.
The scene at home.
What happened, my dear child?
Mom, today I touched the pot in my school and drank water from it. The upper class student broke it. you have made for creating history?
Yes, Mom. I will make history. History will remember me, Mom. Yes.
2. Scene 2. The boy has grown up and has completed his education somehow. Scene 3. 29 August 1947. The drafting committee appointed the gentleman as the chairman. In that drafting committee, the members were K.M. Munshi, Gopal Swami Iyengar, N. Madhav Rao, Muhammad Sadullah, Alagi Krishna Swami Iyer, T.T. Krishnamachari, and the gentleman himself. 26 January 1950, the Constitution was legally enforced. It took precisely 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to create the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is the world's longest written constitution with 1,46,385 words, whereas the Monaco Constitution is the world's shortest written constitution with 3,418 words. By this skit, it tried to show that one step towards equality and justice can make everyone's life beautiful.
By the skit, I have one question. Who was the famous personality? Can anyone guess?
Yes, you are.